Did you realize your business may be in a position to make sales from Facebook ads almost immediately? And you might not know about it yet. I can tell you though, if you watch this video. In this video, I share a Facebook ad strategy that's not only very quick and very easy to set up, but it also can deliver a very handsome return on your ad investment. Not everyone's business is in a position to use this strategy, but maybe yours is. Keep watching to find out. I'm Julia Storek. I'm a Facebook ad strategist from zenfulmarketing.com and the creator of the course on how to generate leads and sales with Facebook ads, the foundational course for coaches, consultants, and online course creators. So if you're ready to grow your business with Facebook ads, you're in the right place. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's dive into today's topic. I am never the one to paint Facebook ads as this miracle cure that will bring instant millions to a business. However, there are some situations where you can get amazing results from Facebook ads in a very short time frame, such as my client who got a 24 times return on her ad investment by using this little strategy that I call the low-hanging fruit strategy. Wonder if you have some of this easy-to-pick low-hanging fruit in your own business? Let's talk about it. Like many things in life, Facebook ads thrive off the compound effect. You run ads, your email list is getting bigger, you're making sales from the leads that are coming through, you've got your money to run more ads, so you run them, your list is getting bigger again, and then at this point, the compounding happens because some of the leads from the first round of ads who haven't bought then are ready to buy now. So they go ahead and purchase your product, along with a small percentage of the new leads that you've brought in with this second round of ads. As a result, you have an even larger revenue, and a portion of that revenue you can put towards more ads, and that's how you got your compounding wheel going. How is this related to the low-hanging fruit? I'm getting to it. You see, success with Facebook ads compounds not only from your paid traffic efforts, but also from all the efforts that you put into posting on social media organically. So if you've been posting online and building an audience, then chances are there are some fruits of your labor that you haven't collected yet. There are people out there who know, like, and trust you already, but they haven't bought from you yet simply because your offer hasn't been presented to them enough times. Some sources say nowadays we have to see something 33 times. 33 times, y'all. To even get that item on our consideration space and then finally buy it. So imagine that's quite a lot of touch points. But you know how it goes with organic social sometimes. The minute you start sharing links in your posts or stories, your organic reach can plummet. But Facebook ads and the low-hanging fruit strategy can fix that. And that's exactly why I'm sharing it with you. So how can you leverage your existing audience and collect your low-hanging fruit? You need 3 things. Number 1, a great offer. Something you, and most importantly, your audience agrees that it feels so good, it would be crazy not to buy it. Next, the second element that you need is a warm audience that is retargetable. Sorry, your personal profile, friends, and followers, they're not retargetable. However, the following are your Facebook business page followers, your business Instagram account followers, people who have watched your videos on those accounts, people who have engaged with your content on those accounts. You can retarget your email list if you upload it to Facebook and make it into a certain audience. You can retarget your website traffic as long as you have the Facebook pixel installed on your website. To retarget any of those audiences and to see the full list of audiences that you can retarget, because yes, there is more, you can go to Ads Manager, Audiences, Create, Custom Audience, and then follow the prompts. By the way, I already have a video on my YouTube channel about the 3 steps to retargeting your most valuable audiences, and that video goes into all the technical details of setting up those audiences, so check it out after watching this one. I'll link it in the description of this video. Finally, to make this low-hanging fruit strategy work, you need a quality ad creative that targets this specific warm audience. In a nutshell, your ad needs to stop the scroll, it needs to evoke emotions from your audience through both copy and creative, And it needs to explain the benefits of your offer in a way that makes it irresistible. And make sure it's the benefits, not the features. The features is the what is included in your offer, and the benefits is about how those features deliver an outcome for your audience. What's in it for them? How does it make them feel on the other side of having gone through your offer? This ad can be a video ad or an image ad. Feel free to test both, of course. And that's all the elements to this low-hanging fruit strategy. Honestly, this is so easy to set up, and it doesn't take a lot of money to run with this strategy because you're targeting this very narrow, specific audience. And the returns on this strategy can be fantastic. For example, one of my clients has spent $500 retargeting her warm audiences just like we discussed, and she made $12,500 from that ad alone. It was literally a one ad campaign that brought a 24 times return on her investment. Her Facebook page following and her email list were about 3,000-4,000 each at the time. Plus, she retargeted about 50,000 people who have watched her videos on her Facebook page over the course of the last year. And I'm sharing this to show that you don't need a huge audience to make this strategy work and to actually see results and profits from your Facebook ads. Nor do you need a plush Facebook ads budget to make this work. Again, my client has simply spent $500. Yulia, this sounds too good to be true. Is there a caveat to this strategy? You're very acute. Coming right up. Now, of course, you can't be harvesting your low-hanging fruit indefinitely. Eventually, when everybody from your warm audience has seen your offer enough times and they have either bought from you or they decided it's not for them at the moment, so they're not reacting to your ads anymore, and your low-hanging fruit strategy stops working. At which point, you need an influx of new warm audience members. And that you, of course, can get either through your organic efforts, or you can run more ads to bring more people into your world and start warming them up. And I hope this little bit of a caveat will not discourage you, because I'm sharing it with the goal of giving you the full picture so that you know how it's gonna go if you choose to try out this strategy. Now, over to you. Do you have a warm audience that you've never targeted with Facebook ads? Or maybe you haven't targeted them in a long time? Would you give this strategy a go? Type it in the comments below. And if you're curious to try it, but you're not 100% sure in your ad execution, then at least at the moment of this recording, I'm offering free mini strategy sessions. You can apply for one through the link below in the description of this video. And during the session, we get together and I can help you figure out the first steps into running your Facebook ads. And you can also find out on how to work with me on a deeper level for a more customized Facebook ad strategy. And now go watch that video on retargeting, which goes into technical details of reaching your most valuable audiences.